Hi everybody, and a warm welcome back to MapleLeaf Customs in Switzerland. I'm Andrew, and today's video is a mail call from my good friend Yves Schott of Schottys-Diecast in Luxembourg. Yves is a longtime friend of the channel who comments weekly on my videos and participates in all of my special events. We actually met up in Luxembourg City about a year ago, and he gave my wife and I a pro-guided tour of the old city. I know what a few goodies in here might be, but the rest will be a surprise for all of us. You'll be wondering what this first piece is, but I recognize it immediately, and I suspect an accompanying vehicle is deeper down in the box, so stay tuned for the revelation on that. Needles to build transmissions. Yves is a firefighter, and I presume he's got some paramedic training too, so thanks for that, Yves. I've seen them on Diecast Diecast used in that way, but it'll be a first for me to try that out. There's a box of cars. Starting with a Matchbox Morris Minor 1000 Tourer Cabriole model, which is convertible in Europe. Matchbox VW delivery van. I'm always looking for more T2s to customize. Majorette Porsche GT3. Well, Yves knows what I like. That's just beautiful. Porsche number 2 is a Panamera Turbo. This one's a Majorette from France. And yes, these are police cars in Europe. Lime green. Matchbox Austin Mini Cooper. That's a cutie. Good start, thanks, Yves. Lots of duct tape, so you know he's a home repair specialist. Let's see what's in box number 2. Well, another Porsche Hot Wheels 911 Rally. We just did a rally car buddy build. That would have been the perfect entry. A Maisto Mercedes-Benz SLR McLaren. Oh, yes. That's lovely. Siku is a German brand, and this is a Weissmann GT MF4. It's a rare sighting, but I have seen these on the road over here. So that's a customization project to happen. Another Siku, another Porsche 911 Carrera S with opening doors. Keeping the pond well stocked is a Majorette Porsche 911 Special 60 Years Anniversary Edition. I won't even crack that open, Yves. It might be a giveaway for a future Porsche event. Oh, maybe this too. Another Majorette. It's a Taycan Turbo S pulling a hauler with a 934 in the back. Oh, now here's part 2 of that very first piece that I pulled out. This is Yves' Canada Day 2024 entry. It's a no-name brand made in China. Snowplow, highway size. Red and white is my only guideline for those builds. Any model, any scale size, any make. Now that goes underneath this stand. That would drop sand into the tanker that gets spread on the road. Eve, one exhaust stack broke off, so I do an immediate repair. And this goes on display on a shelf with great thanks. The last box inside the box is Eve's Buddy Build Cars. We decided on a rally car theme together, and I know Eve loves to do this genre. Here's the first one. Oh yes, it's an Acadian brand. I bet that's new for you. Citroën 2CV Burkina. I had to look that up. It's done up in a Ratfink rally livery. I see Texaco logos. There's the needle transmission on the bottom, in case you were wondering how to use those. Great big Samet off-road wheels, rally lights on the roof. And the accompanying car. This is an MC toy brand, also a Citroën 2CV, but in the smaller compact size. Elf sponsorship. Another Ratfink. Look at the detail on the roof rack. Great off-road tires. These are spectacularly done, Eve. You've really got the touch, brother. Here they are side by side for comparison. Matching pair, just above and beyond. Tremendous work on both of those. I couldn't be happier. Oh, yes I could. Now I'm happier. Look at this. Bernard Massard is the finest Luxembourg brand of sparkling wine. So that's just in time for my wife Petra's birthday. We will toast you, my good friend, with great thanks and hopes of meeting up again. Thank you for all of these castings and customs. And thanks to everyone who visited today. Come on back soon, and often. It's coffee time.